Vuitton durian pastry. Eat meat, eat meat. Pineapple bun. A chicken hedgehog. Black truffle and mushroom dumpling. A bologna mushroom tart. Is it me or it's got a touch of gold? Located 30 minutes south of Vancouver, the city of Richmond is renowned for its rich Asian culinary cultures. We decided to go dim sum hopping in two of the most popular restaurants. Our first stop was Fortune Terrace. The dim sums here were works of art, and they came in the shapes of various cute animals and characters. Ladies' handbags? Why not? We are at Fortune Terrace. We have some dim sum. First one, we're going to have a Louis Vuitton durian pastry. Ooh. This is $10,000, okay? LV bag. The handbag never tasted this good. The durian is actually pretty mild. Our dim sum experience was off to a great start. Next we have fava bun. Looks like Mr. Potato Head there. Let's try. Looks so cute. There, Mr. Potato Head. Eat meat, eat meat. We're gonna do brain surgery here, craniotomy right here in this spring mumble. Oh! Salty egg yolk cream. Wow. Okay. Let's try this. What creamy. Craniotomy operation is a success. Salty egg yolk just oozing out there. Mr. Potato Head was a hit. The creamy, salty egg yolk was rich and heavenly. Finally, let's try Mr. Turtle. Pineapple bun. Very cute. The top is very pretty. And then the middle. It's like a barbecue pork. Okay, this is Wagyu beef fillings for the barbecue pork bun. The flavor of the Wagyu beef filling was just okay, but it was very tender. Hedgehog bun, a chicken hedgehog. So cute. Takes a lot of work to make this one. It's like a steam bun. Inside is just stuffed with chicken meat. It's good quality. The steam bun itself is very nice and airy and fluffy. The bun itself was good, but the fillings needed more seasoning. Let's try the scallop. Hokkaido scallop. Kind of fried taro ball on a leaf. Overall, the dim sums in Fortune Terrace were Instagram worthy, but the flavors were hit or miss. Next up, Kirin Seafood Restaurant. It is the premier Cantonese restaurant, and unless you have a reservation, it's difficult to get a table, especially on weekends. Around 1 minute before open, and this place gets rowdy and loud, as it should be in any dim sum establishment. And we are off. It was 10 a.m. on a Sunday. People without reservations were being turned away. Kirin's dim sum menu, although less Instagram worthy, was still quite extensive. Alright, this is a vegetarian dish. Outside is tofu skin wrap. Inside is stuffed with mushroom fillings. Yeah, right. quite smoky. It's pretty mild, yeah. Not overly salty at all. Not greasy. It's a cold dish. Okay, enough about meat substitute. I am still a carnivore at heart. Let's try some singmai. Hey. Nice and glistening with juice. Very juicy. Good flavor. I try some changqing rice roll. Wow, very thin. So thin. See? Beef brisket, ooh, nice and fatty. Probably 50-50 fat and lean meat. Beef brisket. Very thin rice grain. And beef brisket. It just melts. Falls off the skin. Let's see. I can eat this brisket all day. I'm happy. Real happy. This was one of my favorite dish. The rice roll cheongfan was paper thin, while the beef brisket was ultra tender. Truffle and mushroom dumpling, steamed. Reminds me a bit of the Ding Tai Fung black truffle xiaolongbao. Yeah, it's actually pretty subtle, but you definitely taste the truffle, and it's moist and juicy inside. And here's one of the more interesting items: a bologna mushroom tart. It's not egg tart; it's a mushroom abalone tart with a baby abalone on top. You can actually see the mushroom. There's leakage. Outer crust is kind of like egg tart, very flaky, buttery too. See the mushroom inside, abalone up top, and there goes the abalone. I'm not a big abalone fan, but it was still pretty solid. Mildly chewy, got the abalone seafood aroma and flavor. Okay, here's our cuttlefish bun, filled with salty egg yolk, creamy salty egg yolk inside. This meal has got a touch of gold painted on top. I think it is. Let's see how it is. It might be messy, people. Here it goes. Ooh. Creamy salty egg yolk inside. Let's see. The salty egg yolk custard was good, but I wish it could have been more running. Cuttlefish ink just gives it a color. Not much of a taste, but the salty egg yolk is quite potent. It's actually a good contrast. Very nice. And the bread is nice and fluffy and airy. The dim sums at Kirin were excellent, albeit less Instagram worthy compared to Fortune Terrace. Overall, we were super impressed by the Hong Kong-style Cantonese cuisine in Richmond. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.